Alright guys, this is how to change your YouTube name at any time you want. This can be very hard on PC, so it's so easy to change it on mobile. So you simply let me open my YouTube. This is your YouTube. This is your YouTube channel. You refresh it. Make sure your channel is already logged in, like not just your Gmail, but the email you open your YouTube channel with. So you click there. Once you click on the options, you go to manage your Google account. You click on it. We wait till it opens. Yeah, we are there. So once you're here now, I know you might be so confused on where to go. You click on personal info. It opens. Don't just rush to click on names, because once you click on the name, it will tell you something else. Let me show you what is over here. You see, beneath it is saying these settings can't be changed for your account. So you just go back. You go back, you scroll up. See, go to about me. Make sure you click go to about me. That's where you change your YouTube channel name to anything you want, or to any name you want. So you click on go to about me. We are there. So you just click on your name, the name of your YouTube. See, there's a pen beside it now. You click on it. See, we are there. You can now change it to any name you want. Alright, I need to rename it now. For those of you that is watching this video, actually, yes, I want to change my YouTube channel name to a recent name that I wish. Let me say On Time Tech. Okay, let me check if that name is available. Make sure the name is available before you click on next. Let's see. Save settings. Boom! It's there. That's it. So yeah, true. We are done. This might take few minutes or few seconds to reflect on your YouTube channel.